eWeLink MCP Server Setup Guide. 1. Generate your MCP server URL in eWeLink Web. Open the eWeLink Web. Navigate to the Tools. Select MCP Server. Click Get URL and copy the generated MCP server URL. 2. Configure the MCP server in your AI client. Open your AI client. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Tools and MCP. Add new MCP server. Add a new remote server entry using the following JSON. Save the configuration. And open a new chat session. Enabling the Auto option in the toolbar is recommended. Here you may enter prompts such as, "How many devices do I have?" or "Turn on a light."